Okay, so another topic for this management accounting is all about comparison between management accounting and financial accounting. Anong pagkakaiba ng management accounting sa ating financial accounting? Okay? So the difference between the two. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Number one, no? We go first with our introduction. So accounting, 'di ba, is divided into two main branches. We have financial accounting and management accounting. And these both play a vital roles, no, in business. But they differ in purpose, audience, and approach. Parehas sila, pero magkaiba sila in the role of their business. And the last one, understanding their differences helps the managers, no, to be effective sa ginagawa nila. Managers and stakeholders used information effectively. Okay. So with this, ano bang ibig sabihin ng financial accounting? Financial accounting involves systematic recording, summarizing, reporting of financial transactions. No? It also provides information to external users, such as investors, creditors, and regulators. Ano ito, class? It is for the general purpose. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng financial accounting para sa lahat. For external users such as investors, creditors, and regulators. It also focuses on producing accurate financial statements following accounting standards. Example, the IFRS, the GAAP, and many accounting. No? Okay. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng management accounting? Ito yung ating discussion. Management accounting focuses on providing internal management. Kung ang financial accounting is more on internal, ito naman is more on external. Para saan? For relevant information for decision making. It also uses both financial and also non-financial data to aid planning, control, and the performance evaluation. Hindi lang po financial, but also we need also to have or to include non-financial. And they are not bound by any formal accounting standards. Yeah. We will not follow your GAAP if you are talking here of management accounting. Walang ano yan. Walang IFRS, IAS, PFRS. No, we will not follow and we are not bound by it. Okay? By it. So what would be the key objectives, no? In FINAC, to provide a true and a fair view of financial performance and position. And to comply also with this, we need also to comply with any statutory and legal reporting requirements. Okay? As to management accounting, is to assist lang in the internal decision making, for budgeting, for strategic decision planning. Ibig sabihin, it is only for internal reporting practices. While in terms naman of management accounting also is to improve the operational efficiency and at the same time your profitability. Okay? Lahat po yan ay part of your management accounting. Okay? What else? How about the primary users? Financial accounting is more on external stakeholders like investors, creditors, tax authorities, and regulators. While management accounting only for internal users, managers, executives, and the department heads. It is for external and for internal. What else? As to the time orientation, ano pagkakaiba ng dalawa? Time orientation, financial accounting, quarterly and um, annually. No? It focuses on the past. It reports historical data and completed transactions. While management accounting, forward-looking, emphasizes future planning forecast. In the time class, kailangan mo mag-report, no, quarterly and annually for financial accounting. While management accounting, it would depend sa boss. Okay? Yes. And we have also regulations and standards Financial accounting must comply with external standards like the IFRS, the GAAP, and the SEC requirements, while management accounting is for there's no formal rules and it is flexible. Flexibility. Flexible to suit the organizational needs. Okay? How about reports? Ito kanina, no? In FINAC, reports are usually prepared quarterly or annually. And the reports include your balance sheet or statement of financial position, your income statement or statement of profit or loss, and your cash flow statement. Okay? And how about naman your management accounting? The reports are prepared as needed. Kaya nakadepende yan kay boss. Okay? Yes. Weekly man yan, monthly man yan. And the reports include budgets, the variances, the CVP analysis, performance reports, budgeting, capital budgeting. Napakadami. Lahat ng ating discussion in the management accounting are all part of this. Right? Yan. Next one. How about the nature of information in financial accounting? It is quantitative in nature and monetary data only. Focuses on focus on accuracy and reliability. While management accounting, we will also follow any quantitative and qualitative data, particularly if in terms of your decision making. Kaya nga importante ang management accounting as internal. It is for your decision making. It focus also on relevance and timeliness for your decision. Siyempre, alangan man na you have your information, tapos na yung decision. Kaya that's why very important is timeliness and to be flexible. Flexibility is also important. The scope and coverage in financial accounting, it covers the entire organization as a whole. It also reports the overall financial performance, while management, it focuses on segment, it focuses on division, it would focus on specific departments. Kaya nga meron tayong segment reporting, segment income statement, or segmented income statement. It is based on the products or based on your projects. It also provides detailed internal analysis. Okay? Next one. Relationship. Management accounting relies on data from financial accounting. Yeah. As input. Both complement each other. One ensures compliance and accountability, and the other supports your decision making. Together, they strengthen financial transparency and your business efficiency. All right, to conclude all, okay, so yeah, very important is about your accounting, no? So, financial accounting focuses on your management accounting with the or it will serve different complementary purpose. Okay? While financial accounting, it focuses on the past, performance, and for external users, while management accounting focuses on future strategies for internal improvement. Okay? And strong business uses both to achieve sustainable success. So again, all of these are very important, no? Pag sinasabi natin or financial accounting and management accounting. So again, thank you very much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.